Styroplane Part 9. In this installment, I am going to show you how to install the motor and the propeller. What you will need is a motor, okay, and you got to make sure it has two wires, a red and a black. And you can get the propellers from this blue bucket, which I'll leave in front of the television. You're going to start by checking to make sure that your motor works, and you either may or may not have a propeller on it. The propeller just makes it easy to see if it's whether or not it's working. So you're going to put the battery down on the table, and you're going to connect red wire or black wire, well, one to either end. It doesn't matter which one. And pull that down, and make sure the metal wire is touching onto the metal ends of the battery. And you can see that this one's not working. So you'd bring this motor to me, and then you'd try a different one. So I have a different motor here. And again, make sure that it has a red wire and a black wire. I'm going to connect the wires to the ends of the battery. And you can see that this one does work. The next step is to bring your motor and your plane to me, and I will poke a hole through the left side of the fuselage. Make sure you hold, when you're pushing your motor in, make sure that you hold the fuselage close to the motor hole and not over here, because you may break your fuselage if you do it the wrong way. So just take and push that in as far as it'll go, and then get your wires separated and put a little bend or a hook in each wire like that. The next video is going to show you how to attach the landing gear to your plane.